Hey guys, here to show you some of my World War II stuff and some 50 stuff. Anyway, here's a pair of utility pants because I really don't see trousers is such a big deal. Here's a let's get back to you what type of jacket that is. Garrison cap with US on it. Oh yeah, 1950s web gear. Yes, except without a canteen. Just a dug pouch, SMG belt, and suspenders. Really nice. You know what? Hold on. I should There we go. Watching Band of Brothers. Gloves. With the fingers cut off. Airsoft Thompson. M1 Grand Belt. Or M1 belt. With this is reproduction. 1 second. (1945) canteen and canteen case. More carpet. Yep. This is a I believe it's a, no, it's not that. It's some ribbon. If you know what it is, put it in the description box or the comment section below. First Lieutenant, and I'm really mad because First Lieutenant insignia. I'm really mad because I had 2 of them, and I lost the other one. So otherwise, I would have shown you both. Army Merit Medal, Army Achievement Medal, 1st Infantry insignia, the Corporal insignia, reproduction World War II flashlight, pocket knife, a smaller pocket knife case that my great grandpa had in World War II. Here we go. Okay. Oh, M1 helmet. I like it a lot. 1945. It's only like that. Can't even see it. 1945 M1A1 carbine pouch with stuffing in it. Mess tin, 1944. My dummy grenade, but I lost the blue part and my friend broke that. Reproduction map case, ammo, box. Being a little bit stupid today. Blanket. It really is just 2 yards by 1 yard of fabric that I got at Walmart, and it's, yeah, I know. Go ahead, make fun. Yeah, I got it at Walmart. Big deal. Anyway, it actually fits on my bed, and it's perfect. If you're like that. It's not the right shade, but I'm pretty sure in your Walmart you can find it. Anyway. Sorry if some of it was filmed vertically. A Springfield parade rifle, old toy parade rifle, that I got when I was, I'm gonna say 9-ish? No, it would have been 10, yeah. So, yeah, I'll give you a little, my boots are in the mail, or, well, they're not in the mail, I'm gonna order them today. Just an overview of them. Socks. And usually I wear a white tee underneath it when I airsoft. I know that's not airsoft, so I have to airsoft that until I can get an M1. Yep, so that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.